Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So, Leo, this is your current energy. Ace of Wands and Knight of Cups and Six of Pentacles are your partner's current energy. Okay, so with this card, it seems like you want to take some action in life towards something. It could be your career or finances. It could be your relationship. It could be towards your partner. You want to take some action. You want to move out from something somewhere. Okay, perhaps this house. You want to make a home with your partner. Okay, you want to live a life with them. You want to cross the longest roads with them. Okay, longest roads of the life with them. Okay, so in that particular regard, with regards to your relationship, you want to start something new, something solid towards your person, towards your relationship. Okay, on the other hand, we have Knight of Cups and Six of Pentacles. It seems like your person is also willing to start something new. Your person has some emotions and some affections and some love to offer you. Okay, but somewhere somehow they feel a pull. Okay, they feel that even though they want to, but somewhere somehow they feel that somebody is pulling them. Okay, and eventually they also feel the same thing, that with the Six of Pentacles, they must have their own reasons, they must have their own people, they must have their own priorities. So at some point of time they start giving their attention to somebody who is not worth it. Okay, who doesn't need it. Rather than giving their time, affection and emotion and attention to you, they just give those particular emotions or energies to somebody else. So this is the reason they are holding back their emotions. They are holding back this offer. They want to come towards you, but something is pulling them back. Or it seems like they are still not, they are still confused to whom they should go. It seems like they have another person as well in their life, and they are confused to choose between you and them. Okay. Now let's see what is the current mutual energy between Leo and their person. What is the current energy between Leo and their person? Okay. Leo, it seems like your person is taking you for granted, I believe. But soon they'll be realizing it, that you are somebody who is their actual calling. They are being lazy, they are taking you for granted, they are not taking any action towards you. They feel that it's okay. This Leo person, I mean, if this person wants to start something new with me, or if this person wants to take this relationship on a next level, then it's okay. I'm completely okay. I'm completely fine in my own skin. Okay, why should I take extra efforts? This is the reason they are dividing their attention with somebody else. They are taking you for granted, Leo. That's for sure. This is the reason they are being very lazy in this relationship. This is the reason they are not opening up in front of you. They are not talking to you, or I mean their discussions or their conversations is doesn't make any sense to you. What they say, what they think, what they talk, I mean, no. Okay, all right. So this person sees you as somebody, with this first card, as someone who is a wise person. Okay, who has no grudges for anybody else, who has no holding back of emotions for anyone in life. You take life the way it comes to you. You accept how people treat you. You accept, okay, everyone has their own ability, capabilities, own perception about somebody, about them, about life, about anything. So you accept the situations and people the way they are. Okay, so that's how your person sees you. And this is the thing, you are somebody who do not hold back anyone. Okay, if somebody wants to come into your life, you welcome them with warm heart, and if somebody wants to leave out from your life, you do not chase after them, you do not run after them, you don't go after them. Okay, so you always try to let go of things, you always try to let go of your ego or something. But with these card, I am not seeing any ego and all that. But yes, if you have any kind of grudges, first of all, you do not keep any grudges with anyone. But if somehow you have some grudges, or you feel something bad about something, you immediately let go of your emotion. All right, and that thing makes you different from the other person, that thing makes you a wise person. Okay, the current action from your partner is the trust. I don't know on whom they are trusting right now. Is it you, or is it the other person, or is it the divine? Okay, it seems like they have just jumped without any protection, without any parachute, without any safety. Okay, now now they just want to see who is the right person, or who is the person who can hold me in this situation. So they are trusting, they are keeping faith in you, and they are keeping faith in the other person as well. And they just want to test who is the person for me, who can save me from this situation. Only then I'll be able to move on or move ahead towards that particular person. Okay, with the future card, the healing card is telling me that in future they'll be able to understand what is there for them, who is there for them, and eventually they'll be working towards their healing thing. Eventually it seems like they'll get to know, or they'll understand that you are the person for them, and hence they'll heal themselves emotionally and mentally, and then they can come to you. All right. Okay, so it seems like some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign in this reading, and fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. And thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.